So today it's painting time, and here you see a simple canvas and simple acrylic paints, and I start by preparing a background. Now I have neglected the painting department for quite some time in favor of other projects, but I was inspired just recently by a video that was put out by Denise Cerro. Now Denise and we have worked on a couple of hops together last year, and at the time I did recommend her channel to all of you, and I know some have gone over there and visited her. Now Denise is a fantastic artist. She does everything from abstracts to collaging, paintings of course. She does assemblages, and I really like her style. It's very free and very void of boundaries, and it's just inspiring to watch her work, and I think you would like it too. So I will put the link to her channel again below in my description box. Please go and give her a visit. So for today's painting here, I definitely borrowed a couple of ideas from Denise's recent video. I wanted to try out some collaging underneath the painting. I wanted to try out some line work. But of course, at some point, my painting went in a completely different direction, meaning it went in my direction. And that's of course perfectly fine and preferable. I like to watch other artists work and pick up some ideas and tips. I get inspired by what they do, and then I try to incorporate them into my own style to see what I like and also to see what I'm capable of doing. Anyway, the main thing is I was inspired to paint, so much so that I painted another canvas right after this one, and I added the footage right here in this video as well. Now the next one is just a play on color. It's nothing super special, it's nothing you haven't seen before, but it was just a really fun thing to do on a lazy afternoon. So I hope you will enjoy the process for both of these pieces. All my mediums will be in the captions, and I will talk to you towards the end. So that was it, and here is my first piece one more time. I did seal it with a simple canvas sealer, which gave it a little bit of a shine, not too much. There are my flowers. I kept them pretty abstract. Nothing on here is, of course, realistic. I love the background with the bits and pieces of collage papers. And then here is the second one. And here too, I added a glaze. I like the pattern I achieved with the glazing medium, and then of course a very colorful tree and surroundings. This was just a really fun piece to put together. And of course the rusty paste gave the tree trunk a bit of texture, which I like. And that concludes my painting session. I hope you enjoyed the process, and it wasn't too long. I purposely sped up some parts so I wouldn't test your patience too much. I really had fun with this. I do like painting, and I should do it more often. I thank you so much for coming. Hope to see you soon again, and bye bye for now.